Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our Google account. So let's get started. So to delete your Google account, what you have to do is first of all just tap on this profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then select a profile that you would like to delete. For example, I'll select this one. After selecting this profile, what I'll do is just tap on this profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, which is your account. Just tap on it. Tapping on that, now you have to tap on manage your Google account. After tapping on manage your Google account, it will take you to your Google account section. From here, what you can do is just simply, and inside your privacy and personalization, tap on this option which is manage your data and privacy. After tapping on manage your data and privacy, now you just have to scroll all the way down. And after scrolling all the way down, here you will find this option which is delete your Google account. Just tap on it. After tapping on delete your Google account, now you have to provide your account's email address and then tap on next. After tapping on next, you just have to confirm your deletion and your account will be deleted successfully. So after entering your account's password, now what you can do is just scroll down and then check your data. So this is what you are going to delete from your account. Scroll down and then select these two options. You just have to check those two options and then tap on delete account. After tapping on delete account, now what you can do is just tap on continue. And by tapping on that option, you can see guys, you have successfully deleted your account. So that's it guys, it is how to delete your Google account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.